Today I am at Banda bus stand, and here you will come to know everything about the Banda bus stand and the buses that are going to his destination. Every information will be given. But before starting the video, I would like to tell you that the location of the Banda bus stand is also given in the description. So let's come and explore. So most of the buses that are going from here are going to Kanpur, Prayagraj, Allahabad or Lucknow. So in that route, whatever the stations are coming, everywhere the bus is going. So this bus is going to Kanpur. This is also Kanpur through Chilla, Lalauli, Bindaki. This bus is going to Hamirpur, Pailani, Sumerpur, Hamirpur, Kandaura. This bus is for Karbi, Chitrakoot. So you will get the buses from here for the nearest tourist places are Kalinjar, Chitrakoot, Khajuraho. So now coming to the inquiry where you can inquire about the buses and what are the availability of buses at which stations. Here you can see the Kalinjar Kila. Picture is also available. Kalinjar is hardly 40 kilometers from here. And here some information about the peoples are there. Chitrakoot Dham is also there. Here this timetable is there, and from here the bus is going to Gorakhpur via Kanpur, Lucknow, Kanpur, Karbi, Atarra, Tindwari, Bindaki, Devariya via Kanpur, Padrauna via Kanpur, and Prayagraj, Karbi, Kalinjar and Prayagraj. So the timings also given and distance is also given. So you can zoom the video and get the timing and the distances. Banda Fatehpur Lucknow road timetable is there. For that the Banda Manikpur Fatehpur Lucknow. This is via this one is going. Distance is also given, how much distance will be covered. And Banda Hamirpur Urai route is there. Banda Mathura Delhi, it means for Delhi also the buses are going from here. And Banda Kalinjar Kartal Marg is also there. So Banda Kalinjar is 57 kilometers. Okay. Here it is the inquiry number 297299. I think 5105192 is the code. So 297299 is the code. Is the number, and 5192 is the code. So this is the inquiry office number. You can dial it and get the information over here. And this is Chitrakoot Dham Chet Banda. Basically this commissionary range is called Chitrakoot Dham. That is what is written like that. And here it is fare is also given and the distance also given for the places from here to which the buses are going. And all the information is given. For example, if I come to Banda Delhi Marg, Mawai is there. Mawai 6 km, 11 rupees rent is there. And some major places I will read it. Akbarpur is 183 kilometers and 263 rupees the rent fare. And Kausambi, Noida is there. Pari Chowk is in the Noida. Pari Chowk is 596 kilometers and 875 is the fare. Noida 623 kilometers and 910 rupees is the fare. And other places also I can read out 1 or 2 places which are the famous places. Hamirpur is there. Hamirpur 86 kilometers and 120 rupees is the fare from here. And some other places I can read out if I get to know. For example, Lucknow is 192 kilometer and 275 is the fare from here. And on the way there is Fatehpur is there. So Fatehpur 81 kilometers and 115 is the fare. So this is the fare list that is available here. It is AC waiting hall is also there. I don't know it is operated or not. I think it is closed. It is closed. It's not open. Lock is there. I don't know why. And some helpline number is also there for ARM Banda Depot, SM Chitrakoot. SM means I think some manager is there. RM regional manager I think Chitrakoot. So number are displayed, and for emergency 112 and the mobile number that is given that can be dialed over. So for baby feeding cubicles is also there. Mobile charging point is displayed. I don't know whether it is working or not. So this is the information over here, and further I will come to this place. What is available here? I think it is drivers means rest area, and at this place this is some window is there, and I think ticketing window is there. I'm coming on the other side. Let's see what is available other side of the bus stand. So I have come to other side. Okay, so I think nothing is here. This is bus station Banda ka Lokarpan Yogi Adityanath. So Yogi Adityanath was the chief minister. Is the chief minister. 21 it has been inaugurated. It is the ticket booking counter and inquiry. This is some office is there, I think. And workshop of the bus is also behind. Here it is drinking water. Some indicator. There is male. This toilet is there. Sulabh Sanchalay, Sulabh Sanchalay, शौचालय, सुलभ शौचालय. ये जा सकते हैं अंदर, इसमें जा सकते हैं? बाकी टाइम लगेगा. अच्छा, पेड होगा 5 रुपए वाला, पेड होगा, पैसा देना 5 रुपए. करना क्या? उठने के लिए तुझे बना कि अगर करना है टाइम लगेगा. Some refreshment is also there. This is Rath depot. Bus condition is very good. UPSRTC buses, I think all the government buses are here. Private buses, I don't think they are allowed. This is a Zero Road bus depot. Zero Road is in Prayagraj, Allahabad. This is Mahoba Banda bus. And all the government buses are there, no private buses. So I think this concludes the Banda bus stand information. And whatever means information you are getting regarding Banda bus stand, in addition to this, you can give in the comment box also. So in front of this bus stand, some eating outlets are also there. So this is all, I think. I'm ending this. Thank you.